In today's fast-paced digital world, shopping has evolved beyond physical stores. With just a few clicks, products from around the globe are at our fingertips. But have you ever wondered how this massive online marketplace operates? Welcome to this presentation on e-commerce, where we explore its history, growth, benefits, challenges, and what the future holds for online businesses. From small startups to global giants like Amazon and Alibaba, e-commerce is shaping the way we buy and sell. Whether you are an entrepreneur, a tech enthusiast, or a curious consumer, this presentation will give you insights into the world of online trade. So, welcome to my YouTube channel and let's dive into the exciting world of e-commerce. So, sit back, stay tuned. What is e-commerce? E-commerce or electronics commerce is a methodology of modern business which addresses the need of business organizations, vendors and customers to reduce cost and improve the quality of goods and services while increasing the speed of delivery. E-commerce refers to the paperless exchange of business information using the following ways: electronic data interchange, EDI; electronic mail, email; electronic bulletin boards; electronic fund transfer, EFT; other network-based technologies. Electronic commerce refers to the buying and selling of goods or services online. Instead of shopping in physical stores, customers can browse products, place orders, and make payments digitally. Key benefits of e-commerce: 24/7 availability, which means shop anytime, anywhere. Global reach, that means sell to customers worldwide. Cost-effective, that is, no need for a physical store. Personalization, which means AI recommends products based on user preferences. Popular e-commerce platforms are Amazon, eBay, Alibaba. These are marketplaces for various products. And Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento. These are the platforms for creating online stores. What is the future of e-commerce? AI-driven shopping experiences. Mobile commerce, m-commerce, growth. Cryptocurrencies and digital wallets. E-commerce involves the seamless and paperless exchange of business information through various methods, including electronic data interchange, EDI; electronic fund transfer, EFT; email, electronic mail; online bulletin boards; electronic repository; corporate digital library; electronic publishing; marketing; advertising; sales, and other network-based technologies. E-commerce provides the following features: non-cash payment, 24/7 service availability, advertising marketing, improved sales, online support with all latest technologies, inventory management, communication improvement. Traditional commerce versus e-commerce. Number 1. In traditional commerce, heavy dependency on information exchange from person to person. In e-commerce, information sharing is made easy via electronic communication channels, making little dependency on person-to-person information exchange. 2. In traditional commerce, communication transactions are done in synchronous way. Manual intervention is required for each communication or transaction. In e-commerce, communication or transaction can be done in a synchronous way. Electronic system automatically handles when to pass communication to required person or do the transactions. 3. It is difficult to establish and maintain standard practices in traditional commerce. A uniform strategy can be easily established and maintained in e-commerce. 4. In traditional commerce, communications of business depends upon individual skills. In e-commerce or electronic market, there is no human intervention. 5. In traditional commerce, unavailability of a uniform platform as traditional commerce depends heavily on personal communication. E-commerce website provides user a platform where all information is available at one place. 6. In traditional commerce, no uniform platform for information sharing as it depends heavily on personal communication. E-commerce provides a universal platform to support commercial business activities across the globe. Classification of e-commerce business models. Business to business, B2B. Business to consumer, B2C. Consumer to consumer, C2C. Consumer to business, C2B. Business to government, B2G. Government to business, G2B. Government to citizen, G2C. A website following the B2B business model sells its products to an intermediate buyer who then sells the product to the final customer. As an example, a wholesaler places an order from a company's website and after receiving the consignment, sells the end product to the final customer who comes to buy the product at one of its retail outlets. Example of B2B with Amazon or Flipkart. Amazon Business, a company, example a small business or a corporate office, purchases 20 HP printers from Amazon Business, which is Amazon's dedicated platform for business customers. The company uses these printers for office use and benefits from features like bulk pricing, GST invoices, and tax benefits. Flipkart Wholesale, a retail shop owner buys 50 HP printers from Flipkart Wholesale to sell them in their physical store. Flipkart provides wholesale rates and business-specific benefits, making it a B2B transaction. A website following the B2C business model sells its products directly to a customer. A customer can view the products shown on the website. The customer can choose a product and order the same. The website will then send a notification to the business organization via email and the organization will dispatch the product goods to the customer. Suppose, I want to purchase a HP printer. If we order it from hp.com portal, that dealing is B2C when the buyer is an individual and the product is for personal use. A website following the C2C business model helps consumers to sell their assets like residential property, cars, motorcycles, etc., or rent a room by publishing their information on the website. Website may or may not charge the consumer for its services. Another consumer may opt to buy the product of the first customer by viewing the post advertisement on the website. Suppose, I want to rent my flat and details of the flat is published on the magicbricks.com. So, if I want to rent out my flat and publish its details on magicbricks.com, the transaction would typically be classified as C2C, consumer to consumer, because I am, as an individual, listing my flat. The potential renter is another individual who wants to rent the property for personal use. In this model, a consumer approaches a website showing multiple business organizations for a particular service. The consumer places an estimate of amount he/she wants to spend for a particular service. For example, the comparison of interest rates of personal loan, car loan provided by various banks via websites. A business organization who fulfills the consumer's requirement within the specified budget approaches the customer and provides its services. Some well-known portals facilitating C2B interactions. Freelance platforms. Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer. Stock content platforms. Shutterstock, iStock. Adobe Stock, survey and review platforms, SurveyMonkey, Google Opinion Rewards, Swagbucks, influencer marketing platforms, Aspire IQ, Influence.co, Brand24, product trade-in platforms, Amazon Trade-in, Apple Trade-in, Best Buy Trade-in program. In all these cases, consumers are initiating or offering value that businesses benefit from. A C2B, consumer to business, transaction on Shutterstock works as follows. Example: an individual photographer uploads their photos or digital artwork to Shutterstock as a contributor. A business purchases one or more of those photos to use in advertisements, website design, or other projects. Why is it C2B? The consumer, photographer artist, provides a service, their photos or artwork, to the business, Shutterstock or its clients. Businesses benefit from the consumer's creative work and pay for it, making this a clear example of a C2B transaction. Key points: the consumer earns money for their contributions. The business gains value by reselling or using the consumer's work for their needs. B2G model is a variant of B2B model. Such websites are used by governments to trade and exchange information with various business organizations. Such websites are accredited by the government and provide a medium to businesses to submit application forms to the government. Online tax filing by a business organization is an example of B2G, business-to-government, interaction. The business provides tax data and payments to the government electronically through official platforms or portals, example, the e-filing website. Governments use G2B model websites to approach business organizations. Such websites support auctions, tenders, and application submission functionalities. Governments use G2C model websites to approach citizens in general. Such websites support auctions of vehicles, machinery, or any other material. Such website also provides services like registration for birth, marriage or death certificates. The main objective of G2C websites is to reduce the average time for fulfilling citizens' requests for various government services. The Indian e-commerce market is rapidly evolving as one of the most vibrant sectors in the country. India's young demographic profile, increasing internet and smartphone penetration, a growing consumer base, budding startup ecosystem, rising investments in the e-commerce sector, online banking, stock trading, hotel and tourism, online education and training, online medical diagnosis and treatment and etc. Additionally, government initiatives such as Digital India and a favorable FDI policy, that is foreign direct investment policy, are also contributing to the rapid growth of the sector. E-commerce sites use electronic payment, where electronic payment refers to paperless monetary transactions. Electronic payment has revolutionized the business processing by reducing the paperwork, transaction costs, and labor cost. Being user-friendly and less time-consuming than manual processing, it helps business organization to expand its market reach expansion. Listed below are some of the modes of electronic payments: credit card, debit card, smart card, e-money, electronic fund transfer, EFT. We will discuss more about e-payments system at another time. Thank you for considering subscribing to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate your support and interest in my content. By subscribing, you will be notified whenever I post a new video, and it will also help my channel grow. I am constantly working on creating new and exciting content for my viewers, and your support means the world to me. Subscribing to my channel is completely free and only takes a few seconds. If you have any suggestions or feedback for my channel, please don't hesitate to let me know in the comments section. I am always looking for ways to improve and make my content more enjoyable for my subscribers. Thank you again for your support. I hope you enjoy my videos and continue to watch and support my channel. Have a great day.